What's this?
I just something to wipe my bogies on.
If someone rear-ended your wife in the car and there's no damage to the vehicle, you've definitely got bigger problems getting me to repair it. You are now watching Rebuilding Salvage YouTube channel.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, today, another episode on the mighty little white T4. It's, I don't know if you remember, but the inside of it was a little bit, let's say, interesting. So today, I want to start by ripping all the inside out. Once I've ripped all the inside out, that lot, all that in there, I want to rip it all out, and then I can assess what the floor's like, the rest of it, before I start doing too much more. As we can see, it's what I was talking about last time, mosaic bit, and I couldn't really show properly. Don't know what we've got under here, but we'll find out in a minute. So yeah, let's stick a camera up and yeah, see what monstrosity of a mess we've got behind the back of here. Anybody want to guess? If you go, stick it in the comments below. Let me know what you reckon we're going to find under there. Will we find any goodies? I don't know. We might do, we might not. Right, so far it's not too bad. Ripped all the ton and groove crap out that's not really been put in very well, and it's all been lined with the silver foil stuff, so silver foil insulation, and they put kingspan in it as well, so that might actually go back in. But this side, yeah, could do with being redone properly, because that's not exactly very nice. Well, yeah, that lot's all coming out quite well. Just about to attack the floor in a minute, but there's a little man over here up to something. What are you up to, Danny, mate?
I'm just seeing what I need and don't need, and...
You're not actually playing like BEETLE, are you?
Yeah. BEETLE time.
That's right, little bug engines. What have you been doing there?
We just done a bit of... We've worked out I can get rid of most of the end float, so just seeing what sort of nuts and bolts I need, just mocking it together.
Nice.
Yeah.
Don't look too bad, that engine. You said it's been rebuilt or something sometime,
Yeah, well, the all under the rocker covers is all nice.
Yeah, nice new gasket and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
It's all
new seals and everything else in there and stuff, isn't it?
yeah.
Definitely had some work done, hasn't it? It's like
Yeah.
you got all new seals in the end down here and everything. So
Yeah.
it's definitely had something done to do it. What's this all about?
Which
What's this?
I just something to wipe my bogies on.
Yeah, I was going to say, because it ain't much use for anything else.
No.
If you can't rebuild a BEETLE engine, I don't think you should be anywhere near engines full stop.
That's it.
Going about a basic or anything. But I shall leave Mark to it for a bit and I'll carry on down there. About time to go and rip the floor out once I tidy my mess out. I'm actually very, very happy with that. Now it's all out and stuff. I honestly thought I was going to find disaster stories because the floors on these are notorious for rotting. And as you can see, we've got bits of surface along the bottom down here. It is literally surface, so once that's rubbed down and treated, nothing more. Same again there. But one little bit I want to investigate there, well, I don't know what they've done, but if I've got to put a plate in, got to put a plate. Other than that, we're all okay there. Let's walk around this side. On this side we've got one more bit there which I need to investigate. I think that's probably where they've had a seat or something in it, but just need to dig it out and see what they've been up to there. And a couple little bits, but it's, as you can see, we're solid. There's nothing really much to worry about with all that lot. It's all got that. They blocked off all the flimming vents in the back corners and stuff, which was really clever of them. But that's what some people do. So now, time to get a chisel and stuff and see if I can hack this crap out, I think. quite surprising there. There's no rust or anything. I was half expecting to see some hidden nasties underneath there after that, but that's okay. The steps are all alright as well, which, as we all know, that's one of the places they normally rot and stuff, but that's all solid as well. So actually pleasantly surprised in here with how it all is. I just need to quickly give it a hoover out of stuff, so don't know what my plan of action is next, but I shall have a little work out what I'm going to do next, and yeah, I'll be back and let you guys know in a minute. But pleasantly surprised at the moment. Looks like once again got another one like the burgundy one, which a lot of you guys are going to cringe at the moment because I got so stuff leaning up against it. Yeah, we know, Chauvan and all that, but life is life. Because at the end of the day, yeah, it might be a Chauvan, but I can't be that anal to worry about little mark getting on it or anything. It'll all polish out. But yeah, anyway, enough of my waffle. Let me work out what I'm going to do next, and I'll be back. What I've done off camera, I've gone round all the edges and trimmed the foil insulation, whatever you want to call it, actually back into the panel, so it's now all actually let back in nicely, so when I can trim the edges, because I go around, trim all the actual panels first, and then I put the panels into it and stuff. So I can do that, I can then put back in all the insulation bits back into the middle of it, like the foam insulation, and then once that's clad, that's done. So that's now tidied up and ready for that bit. Next thing I need to do is get this door off, because it's bent and mangled the rest of it, and hopefully we go pick one up in a little bit. But right, let me work out how to get this off. I know I've just looked at this one. I think I will try it, but I think someone's round that off, so I'm more likely going to get the weld right and undo that nut. Lucky me. But we'll see. There we go. Even though the camera, I just noticed, didn't actually record the door coming off, door is now left the building. So I suppose it's time to go jump in the van and go get another door.
Start it up.
There we are, guys. Just got back from picking up the door. So a nice new fresh door, no broken glass or the rest of it in that one. So perfect door, that one. Any of you guys need any parts or anything, head over to T4 2 parts, I think it is. I'll put their link in the description. Really safe guys, sound guys and stuff. They break T4s all day long, and their prices are yeah, perfect. So yeah, right, let's get on with fitting it. And by the magic of video, boink, door's fitted. Actually fits quite nicely and stuff. I got number plate off and stuff, which I should have took off before. But yeah, there's this door. Well, it's got a little tiny nick in it there, which needed air there when I did the bodywork on it. Nothing much there, but yeah, door fits absolutely perfectly on there. Now got glass and the rest of it. So there's the first stage of yeah, sorting it out, I suppose. But yeah, it all opens and shuts quite nicely. So apart from the multicoloured door, it's lining up quite well. As you see by the gap all the way down. Perfect line gap. Admittedly, this is all going to come off again at some time. But once again, perfect line gap. As I said, it's all going to come off when it gets painted anyway. But for now, it's all on there and stuff now. And I think I've made some actually quite good progress. But once again, I'm running out of time. I'm like mega running out of time to get this video done and get it out to you. So I'm going to end up having to leave this one here, but I think I've actually got some quite good progress on it. Also got all the stickers off, ready for bodywork, but in the next episode it will be, I got a funny feeling I will be getting bodywork done on the little thing. So we'll actually start getting some progress on it. And yeah, well, I suppose first thing I've got to do is strip it down first before I go that. Stupid idiot. But yeah, we're getting there on it. It's finally getting there, and I'm quite happy how it's coming along. So shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, I'm going to stop waffling, and for now I'm going to disappear, and hope you enjoying the little series. And if you are, please hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe if you want to watch some more of the content. And we will see you on the next one. Stay safe.